Acne, acne, arthritis, arthritis, asthma, asthma,
backache, backache,
bad breath, bad breath,
blister, blister,
blood pressure, blood pressure, broken bone, broken bone,
broken leg, broken leg,
bruise, bruise,
cataract, cataract,
chest pain, chest pain,
chicken pox, chicken pox, chill,
cold, cold,
cold sore, cold sore,
constipation, constipation,
deaf, deaf,
dumb, dumb,
earache, earache,
eczema, eczema,
fever, fever,
food poisoning, food poisoning, fracture, fracture,
glaucoma, glaucoma, headache, headache,
heart attack, heart attack,
heart disease, heart disease,
lump, lump, measles, measles,
migraine, migraine,
mumps, mumps,
muscle cramp, muscle cramp,
nausea, nausea,
rabies, rabies,
rash, rash,
rheumatism, rheumatism,
runny nose, runny nose,
scabies, scabies,
smallpox, smallpox, sneeze, sneeze,
sore eyes, sore eyes,
sore throat, sore throat,
sprain, sprain,
stomachache, stomachache,
stomachache, stomachache,
swelling, swelling,
toothache, toothache,
travel sick, travel sick,
tuberculosis, tuberculosis, typhus, typhus,
zoster, zoster,